How to fix Tidal account losing playlist after login. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your Tidal.com, make sure that you're logged into account now. Then from there, you can verify your login method. So ensure that you are not like logging in via your alternate method. For example, it could be via your Apple ID or your email or your Facebook ID that actually creates a duplicate account. So make sure that you are not like creating a duplicate account by using those platforms to log into your account, right? So after doing that here, now what you can actually do is try to check for your offline mode. What you can do is simply toggle off your offline mode on the back of the settings in order to sync any of the missing playlists from your cloud server too. After doing all of that, you can try to clear all of the app cache. If you're using the app version, or if you're using the web version, then you can try to clear all of the cookies and cache too. So after doing that, if that did not work, then lastly, the recommendation I give you guys is simply try to contact the Tidal support. What you can do is simply submit a playlist restoration request via the support.tidal.com, and then from there I'm pretty sure that you guys will get helped.